Hey guys, it's Kelly. So the audio for this part of the video is gone. I don't know where it went. But anyway, what we're going to do today is combine my Tradescantia plants. Two of them are doing really well. You can see those guys, the Sabrina and the baby bunny's bellies. And then this guy, the rainbow Sabrina, is struggling. And then I have a green one that I picked up a couple weeks ago. And yeah, so I'm going to cut up the larger ones, propagate some of it so that they're all about even, and stick them into the pot. So come along and hang out. Alrighty, guys. Okay guys, so this is what we got. This is also the mess we made. These are all the cuttings. I cut it back. I was going to leave more of it, but then I decided to cut it back more to kind of start them all on an even playing field, and then they can all hopefully start draping and trailing around the same time. We have that one little Tradescantia that was struggling, like right in here, but I feel like it will do fine. These guys are pretty resilient and they bounce back very well, and yeah. So I'm gonna throw those guys in water, clean up this mess, find a spot to put this, and call it a night. Alright guys, until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.